Fields in patches bright as gold, fragrant blossom, sweet perfume, green ears that bow when breezes fold, and ruby poppies, love's bright bloom. I wander lost and through the grain, my horse beside, I hold the reins. A gentle zephyr lifts my hair, a scented wind, the meadow's prayer. Nature, my friend, nature, I love you. Each day you grant me a brand new breath of life. Nature, my friend, nature, you're dear to me. You wrap me close with your splendid evergreen tapestry. Silken petals soft as dew, colored jewels in the sea of green. Above the sky, a boundless blue, my heaven